Hello children, welcome to Trinity Academy Matric Higher Secondary School. I am your EVS teacher. My name is Shamla. Now I am going to teach lesson 2 safety first. Let's move on to the lesson children. Newspapers carry news of accidents almost every day. Accidents cause harm to life and property. They cause pain and suffering. Accidents can be avoided if we follow safety rules at home, at school, on the playground, and on the road. Injuries at home are mostly caused by slipping on the floor. Burns, electric shocks, and chemical poisoning. Make your home a safe place. Being aware and alert will go a long way in keeping you safe. The next topic, safety at home. First one is slipping on the floor. A person can slip and fall on a wet floor, trip over scattered toys, or stumble down the stair. To avoid such accidents, keep the floors at home clean and dry. Take care that the bathroom and the kitchen floors are not slippery. Do not leave your toys and other things laying on the floor. Use a step ladder or a stool to reach something placed high. The next one is burns. Accidents due to a fire in the kitchen can cause serious injury or even death. To avoid such accidents, one must not wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. Such clothes catch fire easily. When not in use, gas stoves must be turned off. Gas pipes must be checked regularly to avoid leakage. The next topic is electric shocks. Electrical appliances make our work easy. They should be handled carefully. Do not touch electrical fittings with wet hands. You may get an electric shock. Do not go too close to table fans or heaters if they are on. If someone gets an electric shock or sees a spark, the main switch of the MCB miniature circuit breaker must be turned off immediately. The next topic is poisoning. Poisonous chemicals should be properly labeled and kept away from eatables. Do not take any medicine without asking an adult. The next topic, safety at school. In schools, accidents can happen when children run and push each other. To avoid such accidents, do not rush up or down the stairs. You may fall and hurt yourselves and others. Do not climb on desks or chairs. Do not slide down the railing of the stairs. The next topic is safety on the playground and in the swimming pool. Follow the rules of the game while playing. Wait for your turn at rides. Use a swimming tube for swimming if you are not an expert swimmer. Always swim in the presence of an adult. Safety on the road. Follow traffic rules for your own safety and the safety of others. Carelessness on the road can cause accidents. To avoid such accidents, Walk on the footpath. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Look to your right, then to your left, and then to your right again. Cross the road when the traffic stops. Do not rush. Start out in time. The next topic is first aid. First aid is the medical help given to an injured person before proper medical aid arrives. Immediate first aid can save a person's life or prevent permanent injury. You must learn to give first aid. While giving first aid, be calm and make the injured person comfortable. Make him lie down. Common emergencies that need first aid are minor cuts, burns, fainting, and insect bites. The next one is minor cuts. If someone gets a minor cut, first wash the cut with water. Then apply an antiseptic lotion or cream over it. If there is bleeding from the cut, try to stop it by tying a bandage on the cut. Dirt and flies should not be allowed to sit on the wound as they may cause infection. Send for a doctor immediately. The next one is faints. If a person faints, make her or him lie down with her or his head at a level lower than the body. This helps the blood to reach the brain faster. Allow fresh air around the person. Loosen her or his clothes and sprinkle cold water on the forehead. Let the person rest quietly. Send for a doctor. The next one is bitten by an insect. Insects bites or stings are painful. If bitten by an insect like a bee or a wasp, apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream on the affected part to give relief. Put some ice on the affected part. The next one is burns. If a burn is minor, wash the burnt area with cold running water. Put an ice pack on the burnt area. Then apply an antiseptic cream on the affected area. It is good to be prepared for an emergency and to know how to give first aid. However, it is better to remember and follow safety rules to avoid accidents. Always remember, prevention is better than cure. Always remember, children, prevention is better than cure. Okay, children, once again I recall the lesson shortly. Accidents cause harm to life and damage to property. They also cause pain and suffering. Follow safety rules to avoid accidents. Accidents at home include slipping on the floor, burns, electric shocks, and poisoning. Bleeding wounds, fainting, insect bites, snake bites, and burns are a few emergencies that need first aid. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class. Thank you.